Researchers at the University of Bristol discovered that these flying heroes can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's kind of insane. A sneeze can propel these small viruses faster than a cheetah can gallop at full speed. You might be wondering how these brilliant scientists were able to calculate such large numbers. The research is a complex set of experiments that were meticulously devised to detect the moment when the deadly bacteria decide to break out. Sneezes were captured in all their glory using high-speed cameras and other high-tech instruments. Researchers examined a large number of sneeze samples, examining the invisible particles that they carried, and they carefully calculated how much of each there was. It's almost equivalent to watching paint dry, but much more